anti-collision pressure regulating large flow fire hydrant. Our company's designed and manufactured large flow fire hydrant has independent intellectual property rights patents. The product can be customized with various outlets. Customizable height. Adopts a double drainage valve configuration. Pressure reducing chamber with a pressure reducing open structure. Double valve disc pressure regulating structure. Integrated stainless steel valve core mechanism equipped with an inlet and a conical filter screen. During use, turn the screw rod counterclockwise to drive the internal linkage mechanism downward. The small slide is opened first and the water flow is controlled by the opening degree to achieve pressure regulation. When the small valve disc is fully open, its water passage area is larger than that of the pressure-reducing chamber, resulting in a smaller thrust on the large valve disc inside the pressure-reducing chamber, thus reducing the resistance when opening the large slide, making it easier to open. To close, turn the screw rod clockwise. The valve disc returns to a sealed state under the force of water pressure and the return spring.